Hi, I'm Melissa Gay from the OIT Web Team. Today I'll be doing a tutorial for the content managers of the CAES Intranet. We have migrated the CAES Intranet from one server to another and updated the look and how you will edit and maintain the pages and sections that you are in charge of. The first thing you'll notice when you go to the intranet is that you will be required to log in with CAES using your UGA MyID and password. Next, the intranet site is in WordPress. This means that you will not have to use Contribute any longer. All editing will be done online with a web browser. In this tutorial, I will cover some basic editing tasks, including logging in, navigating, editing a page, creating a page, and deleting a page. The URL to the intranet has not changed. Go to intranet.caes.uga.edu and you will be prompted to log in through UGA's Central Authentication Service. Use your UGA MyID username and password to log in. If you have trouble logging in, you can get help from EITS by clicking the Trouble Logging In link. After you log in successfully, you are taken to the CAES Faculty and Staff Intranet homepage. In the left column, you will see navigation for the different sections of the intranet. Before you can begin editing pages, you have to navigate to the page that you need to edit. For this tutorial, I'm going to edit the External Funding Resources and Opportunities page under the Research section. When you click on a section, you are taken to the root page of that section, and all other pages in that section are listed in the left-hand navigation. I'm going to click on External Funding Resources and Opportunities to open that page. At the very top of the page, just below the address bar, is the WordPress admin bar. To edit the page, click on Edit Page. There are a lot of things on the page that we're going to ignore for the moment. For editing a page, we're going to focus on the main content area here in the middle of the page. This is a rich text editor. There are common text formatting tools like bold and italics, text alignment, and bulleted and numbered lists. In this drop-down menu, we also have formatting for headings. I've been asked to add an entry on this page that includes a link to a document that I will upload. I already copied the text for the entry and downloaded the document for the link. I'm going to put my cursor where I want to insert the text and paste the text that I copied from the email. Before I add the link to the document, I'm going to format the text so it looks like the other entries. If you're not sure what formatting to choose, you can place your cursor in the middle of some text and check the formatting toolbar on top. The entries on this page include the title that is a heading 3, a deadline date that is bold and italicized, and a description that has the paragraph format. I'm going to select the title and apply the heading 3 format. Next, I'll select the deadline date and apply the bold and italics. Paragraph is the default format for pasted text, so I don't have to do anything with the description. To attach the document, I'll put the cursor where I want to insert the link, then go to the top of the page and click the Add Media button. Click on the Upload Files tab and then the Select Files button. A standard upload window opens. Navigate to and select the document that you want to upload, then click Upload. When the upload is complete, the Media Library tab opens. On the right side, you see the attachment details that includes the file name and URL. You don't need to make any changes here. Along the bottom of the window, you can see that the file has been automatically selected to insert into page. By default, the link text is the file name, but we need to change it to the word here. Click on the link that was just created. Next, click on the pencil, then click on the gear to edit the link text. Click Update when you're done. You can also create links with text already on the page. Click on the middle of the word, then click on the Insert Edit Link button. Here you can paste a URL to an external site, or you can search for pages in our intranet site. I'm going to link to the root page of the research section. After I typed in the first few letters, a list of page titles populates this drop-down menu. Just click on the page title that you want to link to, and it automatically fills in the URL. When you're done, click the Apply button. If you want the link to be multiple words, click on the pencil, then the gear, and edit the link text. Click Update when you're done, and delete any duplicate words if you have them. When you're done making changes to your page, click on Preview Changes in the right-hand corner. This will open your unpublished changes in a new tab. You can close the tab after you are done previewing your changes. When you're ready to publish, click the Update button. When the update is complete, it says Page Updated, and you can click on View Page to return to the published page. There are lots of ways to create new pages, but I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a page exactly where you want it. On the WordPress admin bar, click on CAES Intranet. This will take you to the WordPress dashboard. Right here, under Pages, select Tree View. To expand a section of the intranet, click on the triangle to the left of the section title. Hover over the section title and select Add New Page Inside. Enter the title of the page, then click Add. Even though you can create more than one page at a time, we recommend creating one page at a time because clicking the Add button automatically opens the new page for editing. Add content to your page, preview your page, and publish your page. By default, new pages are drafts and aren't live online until you publish. To delete a page, navigate to that page. Click on Edit Page, then move to Trash. If you accidentally delete a page, you can click Undo immediately to restore that page. If it has been a few days since you deleted a page that you need to have restored, email me at caesweb@uga.edu. Thank you for taking time to watch this tutorial. We covered a lot of information in a short amount of time, so if you have questions, need some guided practice, or need help with something we didn't cover in this tutorial, email me at caesweb@uga.edu. I'll be glad to help.